Hi, this is Michelle from No Worries RVing, and there was no video last week, and there will not be a video the following Sunday. The reason why is because we have a lot going on at our house. I'm going to show you a few things that are happening here. As you can see, we built a planter here. We have another big planter in the front that Jim and I built, and our oldest son Joshua, came and helped us. Jim's busy working there. And a third planter. So these will have a perennial bushy flower that will grow in here all year. Those big pipes you see in the back, that is for our sprinkler system. It'll be actually a hose that runs around in there. And we have that all set up. We just wasn't sure how high that we needed the sprinklers, so we just ran them all the way up. And then we're putting pavers all the way down here. That's what Jim's currently doing. He's putting pavers. So we're trying to keep it very low maintenance so that we can travel quite a bit. My parents stay here whenever we're not here in the winter. So they actually help us with stuff. And we're going to plant this purple flower all the way in there. My mom loves those. So there's Jim's stamping or camping. So let me show you some other things that have happened at the house. So the last time you probably seen this, it was just a house sitting here. We have the lanai started to be built. We got the steps. Now this is not finished, but there's the roof to the lanai. The walls are up. It'll be screened in. Eventually someday we'll put windows in there. And this will all have skirting that goes around it. A door there. So this is like a big accomplishment. The roof they put on yesterday. This has all been bricked, cemented. They did really good brickwork. As you can see, a lot of stuff happening here at the house. So you can see why we've been so busy. That's an access door so we can crawl underneath the house if we need to fix something. And then here is our cement block that we extended. It used to have the old air conditioner on it, and now we have a big grilling area in the back. In the comments section, tell me how hot it is where you live. It is 96 here with a heat index of 124, and that's what it's been about the last 4 days. And we have August weather right now. It is hot. Normally we get rain in the afternoon to cool it down, and that is not happening right now. So if you would, give me a comment. Tell me what the temperature is where you live with the heat index. Thank you. So they built steps on the front of the house. This is considered the front, but it's really the driveway portion. They're getting ready to start building the shed. Carport material. A lot of stuff happening. We're going to put curbing, which is like a landscape curbing that's going to go around the bush there. Right around here and there. And that'll be another little planter area. We're only get like small bushes that actually flower. Kind of like a perennial flowers, but they look more like a bush with real pretty colors. The sprinkler system, we were able to get it completely fixed. Jim and I had to dig up half of it, and it wasn't affected from the hurricane. It was affected by the park putting this stop sign up. that got knocked over. Well, there was never a stop sign. There was always a street sign there. And they decided that they would put it here. And we told them there's never been a stop sign right there. There was a street sign back there. Well, they put it there. They broke the main line, water line to the whole park. You can see the road is still needs to be replaced by the city right here. That's all water damage. But when they did it, they also tried to fix it. They ripped out half our sprinkler system on this zone 1. So we redid this entire sprinkler system and then moved some of the sprinklers on the other side because of the footprint of the house is different than the old house. We removed the curbing, the landscape material that was around the tree, because we're going to do this seamless curbing around it. Same way with that bush, we removed the old cement pavers because we don't mow the yard. It's part of the package for the HOA that we contract people to do it, and they're really bad about hitting things. So that's why we're going to get the seamless curbing. Hopefully they don't knock it out of whack. So there's Jim finishing up. So hopefully we get the CO next week, and in a couple weeks we can show you inside the home. Right, Jim?
Hopefully.
That's the plan anyways. We have got all the blocking done, all the pavers are done, and we have added topsoil for our flowers. Here are some of the purple flowers. We've added some variegated white with purple, and that is all ready to go. It's finished. We also added 4.5 yards of dirt that Jim and I moved to get our grade up higher and that the water flows off. As you can see, the front side here, the carport is up. It still needs the spouting and gutters, but it's really making progress. There is our shed with our window holes that wraps on it. So we need the windows and doors installed. Yet the downspouts put on. The big back door there will be added. And once this is all done, we'll be ready to move in, which is about another week. The next video we should have is the Everglades National Park campground, which is called Flamingo Campground. We stayed there. We went on the river, I guess it's a river lake cruise from the marina right there, and we got to see some crocodiles. Yes, saltwater crocodiles that are in the Everglades. And then we went to the shark tram tour in another part of the Everglades and seen the alligators, and we enjoyed that trip. So that'll be the next video that you'll get from us. And then I'm not sure what's after that, but we'll probably do a live up-to-date video of inside the house. So that's what's going on here. Thank you for subscribing. If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. Give us a thumbs up, and please give us a comment. What do you think? How's it looking? I know it's kind of hard to tell right now, but if you got any helpful hints of how to improve our videos, what you like, give us those comments. And those thumbs up are extremely important, because the more likes that we get, the more people that can see our videos, and the more subscribers that we can get to get out what we're doing here. Thank you again. Have a great day. Bye.